Meet anise, the tiny licorice-scented seed hiding in spice racks and grandma remedies. For centuries, people have brewed it after meals because its natural oils, especially anethol, may help ease gas, bloating, and that heavy, "why did I eat so much" feeling. Chew a few seeds, and you've got a quick breath freshener. Simmer them into tea for a cozy sweet cup without sugar, or crush them into oatmeal, cookies, breads, curries, and roasted carrots for a warm, aromatic twist. Anise is also loved in traditional wellness routines for soothing cough season scratchiness and supporting relaxation at night. The hack is simple. Start small, about half a teaspoon, and let the flavor bloom. Quick note, if you're pregnant, nursing, allergic, or on medication, check with a pro first. Wellness can be as tiny as one seed.